Welcome back again, peeps, once more. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog with the on the run. With the St. Mary Beach. I also say St. Mary Beach, we don't mean St. Mary at all. We mean St. Mary in Westmoreland, right at Sabra, man. Yeah, man. We're going to do a, we're going to go in the bush, we're going to do a roast chicken with passion fruit sauce. And we're going to do some fry festival. And we're going to do some fried bammy. So, stick and stay till we reach for the surface. We're going to load the boat here now to go across the water, because we have to go across the water. Yeah.
Welcome back, Nadisha. Yeah, so the entire team out, boat captain himself. But that's what bread I carry out.
I love camera, I love camera. So, you know, I think so. You're going to load out for the boat.
Come on, board up.
One Bobito.
Yeah. Good morning, Miss Chrissy. Good afternoon, Miss Brina. Yeah, welcome back, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are going on the seashore.
Yeah.
You understand? Going to
Yeah, it man.
But I'm big.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
How are you doing, huh?
Yes, man, we're out, man. Old fully, see, boat to push off. Yeah.
Second out with you.
Easy, Nadisha, welcome back. Yeah?
Brina? Yes. Jaja. Do now, Miss Point.
Yes, sir, where anchor the pan dog?
Where anchor the pan?
Stuck like earth, brother.
It's stuck in our mouth. It's stuck in
Yeah, I'm more stuck here.
Out the people, out. Out the people. Yeah?
To God be the glory.
God be the glory, great things he has done.
Yes, sir.
First time on the sea. Caribbean cooking vibe. You understand? So we're going out there. Out for the sea, I cook today, you know. You want to see how to cook for the sea?
Yeah, we just want some island out there.
We're going to plan cooking on the sea one of them day. So we are going to the bush, and we're trying to the sea.
I'm going to the mangroves.
Yeah, mangroves, yeah. Yeah, man, it's a good one. I was second traveling on the boat again. Going to our plan. Yeah, man, it's a good look. Caribbean Vibes, we're out, man. The little kids here. I couldn't go in last, brother.
Yes, my people. Yeah, you're gonna view of the shipwreck, you know? The bird there. Yeah. Beautiful view. Yeah, this is the one. Hell of a ship with a boy. Yeah, I don't know what bird that.
They have more things Spanish.
Yeah, what?
You can time and time. You continue water, continue to chop it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, all shipwreck, you know.
Alien birthday, you know. That's
better.
Yes, so half about 2 miles or so.
Yeah. 2 miles of drive, man. You know, you see show when you see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful here. Yeah. Beautiful view.
Good view.
Yeah.
I'll be
Boy, Julie, you missing Julie. Julie, you missing out on a ship there. Honestly, you know. Yeah. People stand there. Ride the mic, come and say you want to come around.
Finally, my people, finally.
That's the peeps, reach out, you know. Big old piece of water over here.
Finally.
Yeah man, after 2 miles of traveling on the water, you finally reach the surface. So you can't stay with pain.
Watch it now come out, you know. Watch it now come out.
Yeah, some the on the opposite. Yeah. Finally. We are unpacking the stuff them. Look, ever see red stripe beer? Check up. Yeah. No one can one did one bottle. Yeah.
Hey, machine.
Where do you see it? You see my shit? Oh, see this one. Yeah, people, welcome back to a great deal. Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog family. All the way a big bridge in Westmoreland. Around 2 or 3 miles from our first location where we live. So, here's a bean to cut in, here's wood. We're going to make a fire pit with a shell. For roast the chicken and so we're going to plant these sticks in the ground, dig out the ground, put the dry wood down there, light it, and you burn them to coal, pack it with wood like a shelf and roast the chicken. Cover it with a piece of metal then steam and slow cook.
Guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. I see the writing in the sun. Done by Sabrina. Mother Nature, you know. Beautiful. Look at the clouds. Look at what God created. Yeah. The water destroyed. Bye.
Yes. So, reach for the location. Cut up a chicken. Get them ready, you know? Season. Look Big joint and busting. Scrape off the slime, the excess skin. I just slit the joint right here. And when you slit the joint, you get the chicken to soak much more easy. Likewise, you go through cut under the wing. You get it to lie down on the fire. Another epic video today. Roast chicken. The dog just make the fire pit. Fry bammy with festival. We're going to use some coconut milk instead of box milk. And it's optional. You can both use coconut milk or box milk, but we are using coconut milk, so we are making it more natural. And I'm a person who can do the dairy, so that's another thing again. So person can do the dairy, advise them to use coconut milk, making it more natural. You know? And Rasta himself not really doing cow's milk, so make it more natural. You know?
Yeah, see the fire get started out, the fire kick off. Fire start blaze up. I line up here, fire for the roast chicken. In the meantime,
after cleaning up the chicken, getting out the excess slime, washing it into some vinegar water. We're gonna season with some pimento seed. Meat season. Garlic powder, and some onion powder. We're gonna use some local season, blended onion, scallion, thyme, bell pepper, garlic, ginger, Scotch bonnet pepper. And I add some chicken season. So we're gonna add some all-purpose season. So we're gentle season because all of these seasoning is a salt base, so we don't want to overpower it with salt. We're gonna add a little soya sauce. So going in by rubbing in the seasoning. Season to taste. There's a Rusty and I want this today.
also I want
cup. Two cups of the water.
I don't want capital for this.
Yeah, come on, bro. Come on, man.
I'm gonna get 2 common for today, boy.
You kill one. People want to get 2 coward bowl or kill one.
I don't feel capable of one of them, then I want that one.
Pretty coward bowl or pretty I go kill him. He killed himself
before.
Yeah.
My God.
So we add a little bit more meat season.
Only 4 days before me did him.
Tenadisha, where you just say?
No, Mr. What a strong pan chair, what a strong pan.
Cheer, Mr. Duncan.
I want to make a chair. No, I won't make a chair.
3 make it.
Who would make a chair?
Some of them are iron or steel or plastic. I plastic one, Mr. Duncan. Where you sit down pan cinnamon when you sit down?
I'm Mr. Ban seed.
Yeah, oh.
I don't make a seed. If plastic make it.
Plastic
A plastic make it.
or steel.
I see it, Mr. Ban.
Nadisha, I tell me say me must sit down pan the hood. That's a fair job, man. A fair job that. Eh? Me go out. People see my chicken out and out. Tell the people them, man. How you that talk about?
Tell her.
See.
Nah, come to business, man. Tell her business. Then you sit down on something nice. You sit down for your husband, something.
Well, I'm sit down for the hood. Yeah, my people, see there. Yeah.
Nice food.
Yeah. Fire pit there. Fire pit, you know. Big up to the manufacturer again, GoPro. You guys do an amazing job when you come on to the camera. Only problem I have with a GoPro, it can record and zoom, and in a night you don't really give a best quality when you come on to recording because you don't have a light. Okay. Yeah, so that's the only thing, but otherwise
It's good to go.
good, yeah.
Great up.
Yeah.
Yeah, peeps, when I get the coconut them grate up, I coconut we're going to use on Need Day festival. Yeah. I'm not going to use a box, we're going to use the coconut next.
Yeah, so when you are sit down, Rasta, where you sit down for?
Sit down on chair, man. I'm sit down on seat.
No, we don't, no.
Let's play them game, let's
No.
go.
Yes, no, but not playing game
A board make my seat, board and a hood.
Our
Board.
steel chair,
Yeah.
yeah.
Plastic chair, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, peeps.
Nadisha alone sit down, Miss Chris sit down for
Yeah, man. Them sit down and come.
Yeah. Yeah. Half a done marinating for 1 hour, you know. Gotta get them out on stick, you know. So I will add them on it and then use the clean piece of zinc. And yes, people will wash off the zinc, so you know nobody come in the comment section for it, but we know not that.
And you wash off the wood them.
Yes, and it would then wash off, guys. So nobody feel like chicken look pretty.
So we are going to cover it and allow it to steam.
Cheer fire look, guys.
Fire best.
So we still have to monitor it because we don't want it to fire to blaze up on the heat, you know, we just want it to take time on steam, you know. It's not really the biggest duck hand's nest, but yes, you guys wondering it's a duck hand's nest.
So many things we can find while out on the island, you know. It's a good look.
Nature.
Wildlife, nature, God's creation.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
So guys, so I turn chicken them, you know. They will catch a nice little color, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you have a chicken and pan the wood.
So I want to have chicken them on the wood, and I miss some peeps.
So now you have them pan it.
Eh?
Last one.
I don't want more fire, I don't want more fire. Yeah.
Yeah, it would be perfect if we did have some pimento wood, but because I was there in a mangrove, so
Yeah, man, them will come on still.
it's kind of weird and unlikely if we find that type of tree out in the mangrove. So we just have to just use whatever nature give us to use.
Come on, them will come on.
So this is a Boston roast. This is a bottom beer roast.
Big break.
The zinc are gonna make the steam, you know. So we don't really want no humidity on them, like no high fire. Just a little bit make it burn down to it cold and stay there and steam.
Yes, man.
What? Fire burn him, man. Yes. Yes, people you get catch by the camera fire burn him, drop, yes, you burn hot. Eh?
That's why we're looking on.
Yeah, yes. Yeah, boy, you drop it. You drop,
That's why I'm not giving on peep.
yeah, you drop it hoodie.
Drop it stick. Me drop no stick.
Yes, peeps, so we're adding the flour in the pan, but we're going to be the dough sort out for the festival. Adding a pound of flour, so we'll put the next pound of flour. I'm going to add in some calming.
Breeze a pick up, you know, it's a get windy. There's a good thing we did shoot the overhead views already.
I'm going to add some salt. Baking powder. I'm going to add some cinnamon powder. Adding some vanilla. Good old. Adding vanilla raspberry.
Start making people here, man. One PM.
Lasco, I flavor, man. You can't do without Lasco, you know.
I talk like one PM.
Yeah, it's like coconut milk. I get it stir up. I'm adding half a nut milk. I give it a stir. Stir in the mixture.
What are you looking for?
Yeah, they tell us we use, sometimes we use the box milk, but we normally change them. So we use coconut juice.
Yeah, we want it to be more natural.
Yeah, more natural. Adding some coconut milk.
Kids them out having fun. More people. Saute some vegetable, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, ginger, bell pepper. Make some passion fruit sauce, So I use 2 of the passion fruit. I have 3. We are gonna make it boil up and squeeze the other 3 and add in it. You know, passion fruit don't really have a lot inside, so just a pulp out everything. These passion fruit, they are big, you know, so you get whole heap out of it. Yes, Rasta, another hit again, boy. You alright, man?
Me just come back, man.
Come
It's
back.
a good look, man. There, man. Roast chicken with passion sauce. Can't wait to get it nice. Yeah, man, a giant chair.
Add some water.
Man, a giant chair.
Soya sauce. I'm gonna add just a little piece of purple pepper. No, just to add a little flavor. Half stick of butter. All purpose season. Just a little Mixed seed. I'm going to add a little tomato ketchup. Cracked tomato seed. We are going natural, so we're using some honey.
Now wait to get in the plates.
We're gonna allow the sauce to boil up
Sauce.
and thicken before taking it off and straining it.
Yeah, and cook you out.
No, that. I taste more and taste the sauce but because it's sun. Come in. I'm not saying they are wait for
What
it.
do you mean?
The people they see one. The people they see one.
Okay, the peeps. Passion. Sauce. Butter road. Hey boy.
Tell them what it was.
Yes, my people. Nah, I am. Hotter road. Can't wait to get tonight.
So we are going to cover it and make it boil up. Yeah. Sauce ready so you get thick. Yeah, the sauce dry down, my people. You can smell the scent of the passion. So I'm going to take it off. Yeah, man. Sister Nalisha, tell her what I go and fit now. Hold on, let me cool the sauce. You know why I get my bun here.
You get one already, sir.
Hey, from who?
Dark.
Dog a bun here. Aye.
Yeah, man, you can taste the passion food. Yeah, man. Nice flavor.
Yeah, you can taste the passion with the honey, you know? Very nice.
Yeah, you can get a nice color. Add some beer upon them, some milk and red stripe beer.
We're getting that.
Come on, I know how much you love getting that things.
Meat, you know?
Yeah.
I love me,
Yeah.
Yeah, I really love them kind of meat, you know? Capital food. Common food, you know? But I kill the food last night before in there.
Some of my people. So I'm going to make it dry a little bit and then coat it with the sauce. Hear that? Hear that, guys? Deep out in our bush. Have nowhere. You know, we have to set up a canvas.
I see sure.
Yeah. All of this is doing a great content. Big up to the Caribbean Vibes team, Nadisha, Chinaman, Dog, Chrissy behind the camera, Cam, Jonah. Yeah.
You could bring a shy one. What's my hand as a year? As a year, you call him out again. Bring
You know, 40 ball and the whole team.
What do you want? You know what thing got on the piece?
Man, so Aki, I'll put on you now. Rasta man there.
Oh.
Hi guys.
Yeah, so I'm coating the chicken in the sauce. Yeah.
Pretty.
Allow them to dry. We're just going through thoroughly and basting all of them in the sauce. And we squeeze out the rest of the passion fruit pulp them out. So we actually add the juice. The juice in the sauce. When almost complete boiling.
Yes, peeps, see there. Last man Aki, I go test if you Aki them. Ready.
Teaspoon, my friend.
Last man pot a boil up, you know.
You're gonna fall at the same time, you know.
The Aki I feel like they could take about 10 more minutes. I can't greet them because no sir. Although I love hard nature, I like when I cook Aki and mash up. I like when I cook Aki in the whole. Yes man. So when I get out the saltfish and pick up here, make it Aki go and cook a little bit. So stick and stay till me soften.
The base and wash out. I make a deep sauce in the bammy, right? So a little nutmeg, a little brown sugar, a little pinch of salt, cinnamon powder, cinnamon spice, all of them can use same with rose water. So we add some vanilla. Oh, rain a fall out.
Water drop.
You know what up on the side, if you know where you go.
Just a little bit more sugar. So I go cut out the bammy them and add in the sauce. Make them soak. Bammy don't really have a lot of flavor, so that's why many persons don't really like bammy like that. So in order to get the flavor popping in the bammy, you have to make a dip sauce, sorry.
It tastes like a orange juice.
Nice, remember your boy and mommy about saltfish. If mommy give me a bone, I tell her bone and saltfish. Nice! Oh my word. Aki and saltfish. I'm gonna put that in. Boom. Bammy. Fried bammy with festival, a roast chicken, and a passion sauce. Oh my word. Can't wait to get in there. Look forward, man, forward. Just take a boat and come down for the bottom of the sea. Yes, peeps, as you can see, fire blaze up on Isle Hut. We are Japan Festival. Come stir, Auntie B. Yes, peeps, as you can see, festival, them fire up. Yeah, man. Golden brown, watch it. You tell us how we know how to turn on wood fire, you know. I'm fire with festival, you know. All dumpling. Anything we are fire for wood fire, we know how to do it. We know how to turn on the wood fire. Yes, man. There, man, there. She'll soon come and show.
Yeah,
man, near
So we hear like a music.
one more hit, man. One more hit. Don't know. Yes, man. Great chicken.
Yeah, much appreciated, bro.
Yeah, man. God, man. Boss lady. Two boss lady up on the side.
Yeah, and as I always telling you guys, you know, time to time when I want to use the same location, you know, change up, just like how we change up with recipe, you know, we tend to want to give you guys good areas with good recipes. So today choose to come a Bottom Bay again. So we shoot video about Bottom Bay before, but we never actually give you guys an aerial view with the drone and things. So you know, we just go and put in the work, you know. And we're sorry about not posting last week. You know, based upon the taxi that was supposed to come for us, like the taxi was at mechanic, so we didn't have any drive. So we have to tap out for last week, because we don't really want to give you a video and then tap out, you know, because we want to give you consecutive videos so you guys can relate and love the videos then. You know, and thank you so much more for you watch the video then, you know, we're almost monetized now. You know, just keep on supporting the dream, people. Love you.
Yes, we do. See the boss, man, and boss lady. Boss man and boss lady. See, when you look at the festival, right now when you start eat. Yeah man, you look man, you're hungry, you know.
Yes man.
Nah, like,
So ready man, ship so long brother.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
Time for your piece, you know, still. You
Yes
don't know.
man. Festival,
Yeah.
roast chicken in a passion fruit sauce. Oh my word. Can't wait to get tonight.
And you know, see how on the side, ackee and saltfish,
Wow.
like rasta man thing like
Wow.
that. Yeah, kind of baked chicken. And
Aki cook long in a coconut milk.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, boss lady are doing thing. You see it? Teamwork.
Make the
team
dream work. That sounds
And if
good.
we don't do it together, can't happen.
Yes man.
Yes man.
Juna, big up yourself when you're there. We know what things already.
Yeah man.
Big up
Children,
yourself.
watch it. Well, children,
Enjoy festival.
Oh my god. God, don't listen to the food, big man. I want to Yeah man, shy girl. Soon top shy. Yeah, Brianna. This is love. Boss lady, she got flip in the world. And a real big man have a drink of water right about
Water
now.
are the
Yeah.
main source of our body.
Yes man.
Yeah.
Without water, you know, can't make it. Oh.
So yes people, after soaking for half hour in the coconut juice, we'll put in the fire. So it's a fry bammy festival, roast chicken, the passion fruit sauce. Oh my word! I can't wait to get it right. Oh, I get the bammy them sauce now.
So we are frying them on low heat because remember that the dip sauce have sugar in it. Any sauce where contain sugar, heat easy to burn whatever you're adding in it. So
You have to get a low fire. As I say, we know how to turn down wood fire, so we turn down the fire and I get them salt out.
also you don't want the fire, you don't want the oil to too cold because the bammy now will absorb up the oil.
Yeah.
And that you don't want.
Yeah.
Taking out the first set of bammy. We don't want them to stay too long in the oil. We want them to fry, get golden color, draining off the excess oil off of them. The bammy is a thing where you have to make the oil hot because if the oil is cold, the bammy is going to be absorbing up the oil and then it can't eat. At night, you know,
Yeah, you bird them in the background.
Bird, I mean, you hear my sing.
the nature, you know.
Yeah, the
That's
bird,
what nature gives us, nothing but fun.
the bird must be the one playing share also. Yeah, we come and disturb them, you understand? So, look how we come and disturb them.
We'll add in some more.
Okay. Last set.
There's a quick checking on the bammy. Taking over from her with the camera.
Here guys, just are interested if I'm with them. Fried good. Guys, in hear the bird them in the background.
Yeah man, you should finally come and show us. So, you know, we have to get the thing them sort out because the boat that come back for us, we have to go to sea in the night, so we have to do what we have to do. To make the man get the boat to go and see later. So we get the food share out.
Start with the kids them first, you know?
Chicken smells so good.
Yeah, you chicken.
Maybe chicken to have to here.
people and, you know, festival, ackee and saltfish, and chicken. Oh my world. Listen, my friend. Boatman comes away from hurry, you know. Go back to the guy, what I used to see.
Much appreciated. Always a serious strength, bro.
Many blessings, bro. Thank you. Kids, enjoy the moment. Half later.
Yeah man, guys, go for it. Back for the vlog again now. Roast chicken, festival. Yeah man, there's ackee and saltfish inside, you know, it's a bammy. Nice, you know. Yeah man, you can try it. Yeah man.
Guys, we're the passion fruit sauce. Really nice. You literally taste the passion fruit. You know, passion fruit have a sweet, tangy taste, and you taste it in the chicken. The sauce is something, man. Something to talk about. You need to try it. Try it in the kitchen.
There's the police, I look for the order.
It's unwanted.
Yeah.
I can serve it still have also.
My brother from another mother.
My first time eating bammy.
My
Oh
word.
my word. It's a flavor.
Why? I think it's nice.
Nadisha, I saw him bite it.
And I can't serve it.
Yeah, after salty. Peeps, after salty.
Guys, you wanna bite it with passion.
Tell about the passion fruit roast chicken. Go me never talk about it. God no police. I look for it. Yeah.
Bad.
Bad.
And I just say I can't serve it. Turn up.
Everything what we do, we have to put God first.
Hallelujah.
We can't do this without God. He made this possible. So we just want to say thanks to Father God again. Spare our life. We can do great videos. You know, bammy is one of my favorite. Like roast with the dip sauce, because the dip sauce said it all. Because whatever spice you put in the dip sauce, it will come out in the bammy. So I really love bammy. You know, and the roast chicken with the passion fruit sauce, thumbs up. You know, we just want to say thanks again. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share the video them to your brother, your sister, your mother, your auntie, all over the whole world, man. Boom, we're out.
It's a good look, man.
I can't serve it again, my people. Turn up. Passion fruit sauce. Man, jerk chicken.
Roast chicken.
Hot the road.
Bammy.
Passion fruit roast chicken. Nice. Big up, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
That's what I think to the world.
So we can't, you know, you can't boat, man. You afraid that, you can't worry about it.
I get used to it still, you see me?
Yes, man.
Get in there.
Yes, man. I him carry up on the water. Big up yourself. Well, let's say, man, everything nice. Yes, man. Chris.
Food nice.
Okay.
Yeah, they have to be good.
Wifey.
Yeah man, out you know.
Alright, cool.
You know nice now.
Yes, man.
Go make a woman now, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah man.
Time man, I
It's a
wait for
good
the
look,
boat.
yeah. Out and stunting.
Cool.
So for Caribbean, out, it's a good look.
Out there.